first day of a new story that we begin to write. We talk about proteome protection. Proteome comprises all the proteins in your cell, in your skin. These proteins can be structural. In the skin, this would be collagen and elastin. But these proteins can also be functional. In the skin, proteins provide all the functions of life. If our skin is a living world, it is thanks to the proteome, via the proteome. So if you want to extend the life of the skin in good health, you have to protect the proteome. Indeed, this proteome can be the target of various attacks. Attacking the proteome, you have an effect on radiance, evenness, wrinkles, density, firmness, which means that protecting the proteome, you can have, with one single comprehensive approach, an effect on all the 5 signs of aging. More importantly, protecting the proteome, you protect the life potential of the skin. You allow the skin to be the main actor of its health, of its beauty. You empower the skin. So protecting the proteome empowers the skin to remain longer and better the actor of its own health and beauty. Proteome protection is deeply rooted in ecobiology. Our skin is a living organ. It's a living world, and ecobiology protects it.